So my video shut off because my phone died. Okay, so again, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to message me. I'm always down to help anybody. I will post Sunday ads. Well, like deals for Sunday on Sunday. Make a live video. As for Dollar General, I will post another video tonight or tomorrow about Dollar General, how to use their app, and go from there and get you guys some deals, because like I said, Dollar General is my place to shop besides Walgreens. And then I will do one for CVS. I shop there every great once in a while. Sometimes they have really good deals if you just want to pop in and get 2 items. You know, they have them just like Walgreens says to people. You just gotta watch ads, guys. Just watch the ads. You just have to look at the ads and it will literally tell you what's on sale. But like I said, $1 to $1, you can use that $1 towards something else. So, again, thank you for watching.